What's going on, YouTube? I'm back with an episode of the long drawn out and have not been seen for a long time series of advanced FPS-ness in Unreal Engine 4. This has been requested for just an episode. Not really anything specific, but an episode. And the one person on my Unreal Engine 4 update and stuff and things while I was playing BF3 video, that one, yeah, I don't know how many of you saw that, but they said, how about a health update system? So when I hear health update, or health upgrade, I'm thinking, well, you want to be able to take more damage, not deflect more damage. That would be like a shield or armor system. But a health upgrade, so you want to be able to have more health bars. So right now, obviously, the default is 100. And we have that displayed on our HUD, not in numbers, obviously, but we do have that displayed on our HUD in the term of a health bar at the bottom. Now, I'm also, there's multiple ways this can be implemented, but the way I'm going to be showing it is simply pickups. Now, the way this can be used, applications for this, the blueprint code or the concept of what the blueprint is, can be used and transferred over very simply into a UI system. Just replace, a collision, because we will do a collision. Replace a collision for, the button being pressed. So that's how that would be used. Or a level up system. Once you get you're scanning for a certain level to be reached, and once that's reached, you get that upgrade automatically implemented or available. Per se, but some of that stuff we'll probably cover eventually in the RPG series. But let's get into this by creating. Man, I really need to organize all this, but we're gonna just create a simple actor blueprint, and this will just be something that we can run right into, kind of like our ammo and everything else. We'll just run right into it, and we'll be able to have it. But we'll make multiple versions of these. So let's see, what do we want? Right, so we'll call this, I need to rename it, dang it. I really hope I don't crash, because crashing has been happening a lot. So I'm going to, for some certain things, I'm going to be doing stuff on a separate project, but keep in mind, if you see the separate project, like a blank project open, that's still coinciding with everything that's gone on in our series so far. It's just I'm getting rid of lag by opening a new project. So that's the level design project, which is going to be coming up soon. That will be done in a new project. So I'll be creating one for that. So if you see that coming around, don't worry. It's just plain and simple. All it is just a new project for decreasing lag. So I just thought I'd let you guys know that now. Let me rename this though to health up 1, and then we'll duplicate that 2 times. Yep. And since we're doing numbers, it automatically goes to up 2. So duplicate and up 3. So you could do this with as many as you want. We're gonna want our character open as well, so keep that in mind. Let's do this. Okay, so what this will simply be is, I don't think I have, let me think, UI, HUD, I do have a cross for that. Alright, so, this is what we'll be using, but, we'll get a, I don't like to have an actual health box, but I think we will be good. All right, so let's add a couple things. So I want to add a static mesh, and we'll just do a simple cube, Actually, we don't need a static mesh for that. We need just a normal cube. So let's just do cube, right? And I want to scale that around. So let's scale it down and squash it and whatnot. That camera's a little fast for me. Oh gosh, it's 5. No wonder. All right, so let's see. What do we want? Let's make it a little larger. All right, and then what we'll do is we'll also create a. I forget exactly what it's called. It will be in rendering. That's where it would be because it's a texture. Because we're going to be streaming that texture above us. So I think we want this. Is this it? Yep, this is it. All right. So this is the default actor. I don't actually even know what that's supposed to be, but we're going to get our T health cross. So let's just look up health. Actually, wow, we've got a lot of stuff. Huh. Anyways, health cross, here it is. Alright, doesn't look too weird. It looks like there's some glow. So, I don't know how to fix that. I don't know how to fix the glow, or whatnot. Come on. Nah. I don't know. That's cool, but there's like a glow to it, like around the edge, kind of, here-ish, that you can see that there's a black outline, but it's like there's a I don't know. I don't like it, but it's whatever. I'm sure if you had a better texture and you know what you're doing with this, you could perfect it a bit better. Googled something about it. Regardless of that fact, we'll have that. And then I want a text render, right? So let's get a text render. I think that's it. But I would just like to double check. Um, yeah, yeah. I think this is what we want. So we'll just do this. Drag it up, and the center alignment, and all right. Is there a way? Always renders text. I want to see if there's a way to do like the billboard where it always looks at the camera, but I guess not. It's whatever. It's whatever. All right, so let's rename this to health upgrade level 1. Level 1. All right. Compile that. What? I don't know why it's not. Wait, it's not working, but that's whatever. All right. So now that there's that, I think I'm gonna change the color just cause why not? I don't know why I'm trying to do that. I like my reds, so we're gonna do a nice red. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Nice red. That looks good, I guess. And sweet. So if we drag this into our scene, what are we going to see? Actually, I don't want to make the health up into health upgrade 1 and upgrade 2 and upgrade 3 yet, because we're gonna kind of just duplicate all our work from that. Whoa. All right, so let's check it out. Right. Okay, so it is like the little button that I wanted, but we're gonna need everything much larger. So that we're gonna scale up and move it oh, it does that weird, is it gonna do it again? Its location values move around with you, I think, don't they? Now it's not. Ugh, that's trippy. Alright, so we're gonna move that up to like there. And the text render we're gonna have up here. Right? That's better. Right. Okay. So how about we just see what that looks like. Flipped around, facing the light. Deselect it. Select something over there. Alright. Looks good. I like it. And everything's kind of white, so it's all kind of bright. But bright light's what you can do. Alright, so let's actually create the code part of this now that the visuals are done. Alright, so let's add a bleh, box collision. And I want to make this real specific because I know if my collisions aren't on par, I get real mad at the developer. And I'm like, bruh, why you so lazy? Why you making collisions that aren't super accurate and stuff and things? Okay, let's shrink that down. Just one. Okay. Fine, we'll do this. Fine. Alright, but of course we'll want to edit the collisions, so let's do this. It will be a world dynamic. I want to ignore everything except for a player. Character. Fine, character, that's it. Alright, so it's character. Let's get on component begin overlap. Right, so, how are we going to do this? We're going to want to make our variables in here. So by default, let's just imagine that we can always and forever have the ability to get upgrade 1. And if not, then you can mess around with this, I'm sure. But let's create some variables under our states. Well, yeah, let's just do that. Called can upgrade health 2. Okay, so we're gonna make this now because you're like, well, we're not messing with health level 2 yet. That's true, but at the end of the code for this, we will be, right? Because once this is done, once this is done initiating, it's all okay. We've upgraded your health. I mean, you can't go from 0 to level 3. You can't just skip levels. I mean, you could do it that way if you wanted to, sure. But, we want to be able to, like, okay, we've done upgrade number 1. Now, it'll check the bool. Yes, we can do upgrade health 2. So, we will get our bro dude, right? Okay. And we will max or set max health. Set max. Jeez, I can't type for nothing. Okay, so the max health will be plus. Let's just say we want to do plus 50. So that'll take us to 150. And then level 2 will be plus 150, so that'll take us to 300. and then level 3 will be plus 200 or plus 300, something. I don't know. You can do it however you want. But that's just how I'm gonna do. So we'll do plus upgrade amount. I cannot type, which is a float, and for this, obviously, it is going to be 50 since this is the first one. So max health. And even if you wanted to, since it has, the upgrade health, you could even have this to set the health to max health. So it just like completely regens our character, just like that. You don't have to like, okay, we have upgraded. Let's like regen our character. So I think that would be kind of fair. If I got a health upgrade, I would want all my health to go to the top. I think it would be kind of stupid. So we'll do that. So let's set current health to max health. Right. That works. Right on. Okay, now we're gonna have to do this again. Set can upgrade to true. 2 to true, man. 2 to true. Okay. That works. That's actually all we need. Now let's just try it out here real quick. No. Okay, I just want to save everything. I'm going to stop the recording just in case a crash happens. So, yeah. Alright, so I've tested it out. I worked out the bugs that I did run into, and I'll show them to you. But let's check out the finishing product, shall we? So we'll let our guy damage us. Maybe. I don't know. We'll just kill him. Alright. We'll go over to this, which still doesn't properly damage us when we want it to, and then it... Alright, see? There we go. We'll walk into it. And one bug that I didn't fix that I'm going to fix here, yeah, so bugs fixed. The one bug that I didn't fix is that we can do this multiple times. So this will always act like a health station, but it's kind of misleading. Like if people are thinking, oh, they're getting another health upgrade, but it's like I've already upgraded the health one, they'll just probably just use it as well. I'm getting my health back. Like I've got regen anyways, so why not? I hate that you can see the models. They're supposed to be non-existent, but it's whatever. Anyways, so also I've had people complain. I just wanted to cover this too. People complain about the rocking and severe shaking of the stuff. That is actually because of the animation. I'm thinking about getting a different animation and open up a separate project to work on some stuff, but and see if it's worth it. But that's why. Anyways, so what was wrong was I actually on the collision I said block, but we need to overlap obviously because overlap. And B, on the billboard, I forgot to uncheck hidden in game, so that we can see that in game. Obviously. One thing I don't remember though is, can we see it through stuff? No, we can't. So that's good. I thought we could for some reason, but we can't, and that is what I wanted to see. Sweet. But it will always be looking at us, which is what I want. I wanted the words to do that. I don't know how to do that, but I would like them to do that. So I don't know. But yay. Alright, so that's that. And the other bug is that we can always do that. If you want to stop that, I'll just, and I would like to, just because. If you want to stop that, here's what we'll do. Is, well, for one, we'll move that to states, and 2, we'll create another bool, or yeah, another bool called health up 1 done. Pretty much saying, have we done health upgrade 1? So obviously the default will be no. But we would like to branch if we have. So, branch. Dang it. Not there. We want to branch. Come on. Stop. Branch and get up health up 1 done. Little bit more desktop there. So if it is false, if it's not done, we'll do that. If it has been, I guess fine. We'll leave it at a health region. We'll leave it at a health region, so we'll take it to current health, set it to what our max health is. It'll just be region. But if we tell it, if we tell it to go through set the max health, say we've already done like we've bought per se. Let's say we already got health level 4. What that's gonna do is that's gonna bring us back to level 1. So I mean, obviously you don't want that. And then, excuse me. Then we'll want to drag this off and this. Man, health 1 done. True. Right on. Alright, so that's done. And let's set up health number 2, just so we can demonstrate. Actually, I don't feel like I need to. Health number 2 is the same thing. So, whoa. So health number 2 will be the same thing, except just create a child blueprint by right-clicking, create child blueprint class. You would change, you would create a second branch. The first one would be, you would obviously have to create the bools over here. Depending on how much you're going, you'll have to create a bool for everything. But health can upgrade health 3, can health grade up 4, all of those. Then you would also want to do health upgrade 2 done, health upgrade 3 done, health upgrade 4 done. And you would do the same thing here, except you would add another branch checking for if we can upgrade to health 2 or 3 or whatever. And obviously, if we can, then you'd run it. If we can't, then we will, you would pop something up, pop up a text saying, oh, we can't upgrade. Anyways, that'll be it for this episode. I really hope you guys did enjoy. I am so very sorry for the massive delay in a delay in the FPS series. I know this doesn't have too much to do with FPS, the FPS series itself. This is just kind of general FPS, or just general, like, I can use this anywhere in gaming. I'm thinking about doing some more FPS oriented stuff, like better grenade stuff, soon. I'm thinking about it. I don't know. We'll see. No promises. Anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy, and if you did, please like, rate, comment, and subscribe. All of that is very much appreciated. Comments on suggestions, things I can do, or stuff I could do just period in Unreal. It doesn't have to be about the series. If you did like the series, I have another Unreal Engine series. I actually have 2. I have an RPG series, which I'm actually actively working on, and then I have an inactive, but obviously still up on my YouTube channel, a flying series, which I did probably like 2 to 4 episodes on. But I did that if you guys just want to check that out. And I do gaming actively more recently than not. So yeah, cool channel, I guess. I hope a lot of people think it's a cool channel. I've got 500 some subscribers, so I'd consider people starting to think it's a cool channel. So yeah. All right. Enough of that outro, and I'll see you guys in the next one.